Hello, welcome to online classes, children. Today in chapter number 5, we are going to study about comparing and ordering decimals. Comparing decimals. Now, how to compare two decimals, that which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So, we have few steps you see here. Convert the decimal number into like decimals. Okay. First step, what we have to do? We have to convert the decimal numbers into like decimals. Okay. Just now we have learned how to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Okay. So first of all, we have to convert the numbers into like decimals. Now compare the whole number and the number with the bigger whole number part is greater, that is greater number. Okay, so that means now after converting into like decimals, we have to compare the whole number part of the decimal number. So whichever whole number is bigger, that means that decimal number is a greater number. Okay, or in case the whole number part are equal, compare the decimal part of the numbers and the number with a greater value in the tens place is greater. Okay, so that means if whole numbers are same, then we have to move towards the decimal part of the numbers. Okay, and we have to check from tens place, and if tens place is same, then we can go for 100 place, and if hundreds place is same, then we can go for thousands place. Okay, if required. So this is how we compare the decimal numbers. Let us see this example. Okay, question number 2. Compare the decimals using greater than, smaller than, or equal to sign. Okay, so first of all, let us see this. The first one is 2.123 and 0.412. Okay, so as I said, we have to check first of all the whole number part. So here we have 2 and here we have 0. That means this one is the bigger number. Okay. Second one we see 0.75 and 0.952. Now you see whole number part is same in both the cases. So we have to go for the decimal places. So tens place we will compare. Here it is 7 and here it is 9. That means this number is bigger. Okay. Third question 21.68 and here it is 21.62. Now first of all we'll compare the whole number part. Both are having 21. Okay. Then we will be moving towards the decimal part. So decimal is having tens place, it is 6 and here also 6. So again they are same. So we will move to hundreds place value. Okay. So here it is 8 and here it is 2. So 8 is bigger than 2. That is why 21.68 is bigger number. Okay. Similarly, we go for D1 4.001 and 4.001. Both are having equal numbers. Okay, so that means they are equal. Same numbers, that means they are equal. Okay. Next question 33.333 and here 33.330. Okay, so you see whole number part are same in both. So we'll go for the decimal places. So tens and hundreds place is again same in both, but the thousands place, here it is 3 and here it is 0. That means 33.333 is a bigger number. Next one is 6,932 and here it is 6.738. Okay, so 6.738 again we can see here that 6,932 is a bigger number than 6.738. Okay. Next topic is ordering decimals. So ordering means arranging the decimals in ascending and descending order. So let us see the first one, arrange in ascending order. The question is from my practice time to question number 3A. You can see the numbers here 22.41, 43.92, 23.86, 38.97 and 46.528. Okay, so you can see first of all these all are unlike decimals, so we will make them like decimals first of all. So here you can see the maximum number of decimal places is 3, that is in 46.528. So we will make all the decimal places as 3. Okay, so 22.41 will become 22.410. Then 43.92 will become 43.920. Okay, in that way we'll make all the decimal places same in all the numbers. Now we will start comparing. Okay, here the whole number part we will compare first. So this is 22, 43, 23, 38 and 46. So ascending order means moving from the smaller number to bigger number. Okay, so first of all we find here 22 is the smallest whole number. That means 22.410 is the smallest number. Then comes 23.860 and then 38.970, then 43.920 and then at last 46.528, which is the biggest number. Okay, so this is your ascending order arrangement. Second question, again you can see 9.824, 9.64, 8.002, 9.644, 8.864. So here all the numbers are having 3 decimal places except 9.64. So we will make this one also 9.640. Okay, 3 decimal places, and we'll make it a like decimal. Okay, and then we will start comparing. So we'll compare the whole number part. You see here it is 99898. Okay, so that means 8 is a smaller number. So among these two we will compare first. So 8.002 and 8.864. So 8.002 is the smallest number, then comes 8.864. Now we'll compare all the numbers which are having 9 as their whole number. So that is 9.824. You see here which is the biggest number. After 8.864 it comes 9.640, then comes 9.644 and 9.824. Okay, this is the arrangement of the ascending order. Next is arrange in descending order. Okay, so arranging the number in descending order means 0.6, 1.6, 6.06, 6.006 and 4.06. Again we will make them the like decimals everywhere. The maximum decimal places in among these number is 3. So we will make all the decimal places 3. Okay, so 0.6 will become 0.600. In that manner we will make all the decimal places equal and we will make them like decimals, and then we compare. So we get, first of all we'll compare all the whole number part. So we see here 6.060 and 6.006 both are having equal whole numbers, that is 6, and which is bigger than all this. So we will compare these two numbers. So we find here the tens place is 0 in both, and the hundreds place is, here it is 6 and here it is 0. So that means 6.060 is bigger than 6.006. So we'll arrange it in this manner as the descending order. Okay. Next one also we will do the same thing. We'll make them the like decimals, and then we will compare and we will arrange the numbers according to the descending order. That means from the biggest to smallest. Okay. Thank you.